Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel. This is how to buy data on the FNB app. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. So just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the FNB app and log into your account. From the home screen, select the Buy plus Gift option. Next, tap Buy Now under Get Connected. If you are buying data for yourself, just select your cell phone number. Choose the data bundle that you would like to purchase, and if prompted, select the mobile network. Review the purchase details to make sure that everything is correct. Then choose the account you want to pay from if needed. After that, tap Buy. Finally, check the confirmation screen and press Confirm to complete your purchase. If you are buying data for someone else instead, return to the airtime and bundle screen and select Buy for another number. Enter the recipient's cell phone number and then tap Continue. Pick the data bundle that you want to send, and if the app asks you to, choose the correct mobile network. Take a moment to confirm that the purchase details are accurate, and then select the accounts that will be used for the payment if necessary. When you're ready, tap Buy. Review everything one last time, then press Confirm to finish the purchase. Once the transaction has been processed successfully, the selected data bundle will be sent to the chosen cell phone number. And that is it. That's how to buy data on the FNB app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Goodbye.